Hey guys, hope y'all having a wonderful day. All right, so I want to go over the Templeton strategy, which basically I renamed the 2010 strategy. All right, I wrote about this back in October of 2023. And essentially, this is it right here that you see on the screen in the middle. All right, and essentially, this is all right. It was a bear market strategy. We were in the bear market. All right. So it mirrors the approach of John Templeton. All right. So during the Great Depression, he essentially borrowed, I want to say around $10,400 something dollars, and he invested in 100 shares of every New York Stock Exchange listed company that was traded for less than $1 per share. So he wound up investing in 104 companies. All right. And once again, he in 4 years he quadrupled his money. So the 2010 investment strategy evolves around investing $20 into 10 projects priced under 10 cents. All right. Now, however, as with all strategies, it's flexible. So you might choose to do $50 in each project, or perhaps allocate 100 to each, or each to 5 or 20 projects, whatever the case may be. But you're looking for that. So one of the things I was doing is looking for things that were definitely under 1 penny and utilizing it. Now watch this. So remember, look up here. You see it says October 20, 20 23. All right, October 10th, right here at the top, right? So for those who missed that, here we go. So it's hover right here, right? So you see that. So it's time step in. So that's nothing I'm just making up, right? Now, look at these assets that if this would have been used during the pandemic time in 2020, $20 invested in Decentraland turns into 1,321. And this is if it hits its all-time highs, right? Synthetics, $20 turns into 13 grand. Trust wallet token, all right, 20 turns into 8,500. Gala 20 into look at that. This is ridiculous. $110,000. V Chain turning into 3,375. Engine Coin 6,467. Ajax 5,000 basically. Tailcoin, which is one of my favorites, 20,000 turning into 19,000. Vito 5,600. Dogecoin at the time $7,300. $200 investment, meaning you put $20 on each on 10 projects. Look at the return is. Now I'm not asking nobody for permission. I'm not. I've given the game. It is what it is. I don't know what's going to work, but I implement and I do these strategies, and I just stay to myself and do it. I put this out here for anybody that want to take on a challenge and do it themselves. Can nobody teach you to really do this stuff? It's you just have to do it. You have to take the risk, and you have to be content with what transpires from it. I don't know, but if you look on this chart, this is around October 10th, right in this area. If we're using this, this is already up 210% on Vito. If we was looking at Tailcoin, we up 503% based off of. Hold on, let me go back. Go here to October. Tenth, right there, right in this area. October, that's November, September. right here. So I need to pull it up to right there. All right, it's about right there, and I need to stretch this up to where it's currently at. That's 633% gain just on Tailcoin right there, right? So, you know, your $20, all right, will be worth $126.60 for the most part, right? So, once again, this is a strategy where it's like you're spreading the risk. You invest in 10 projects, and watch this. This project alone, Tailcoin is already closing the gap. Because remember, if you do 20 times 10, that's $200. This one alone is already worth $126. And then yeah, we just was on, what was we on? Vito. All right. We do Vito. All right, we up 210%. All right. So you add that, and we're gonna look at maybe a third one. All right. So we up $42 on this one. So you add that plus the 126, so we up to $168, and we're just talking about two. All right, let's go see what another one was. Um, let's see what Doge was doing. All right, all right, 579%. So we got 168. So 20 times 579%. All right, so that's 115 plus 168. All right, guys. So we $83.80 in profit just off of two. All right, you know, recovered your 200. You got seven more assets that we ain't even covered, and I'm not going to cover those. But I'm just saying, if we would have did this in the around this time, the bear market. That's why I did it down here, the bear market, because this is the zone that you want to load on. This is where we at. This is just a simple 20. You can put more on, whatever you want to do, but that's you select your 10 and keep it moving. So what am I saying? Look, go on CoinMarketCap. All right, and you want to go to categories. No, no, no. I'm sorry. Let's go to filters. Let me put the icon on here so you can see. All right. We want to go to filters over here to your right. All right. And we want to do uh price. So let's see. Um where we at? I need some more filters. Hold on right quick. I need to do a custom one. Hold on. All right. So I thought that we can go to filters. They must have updated the site, so it's not really on here. But at one point, we could go to filters, and I can put in the price. So if I want to search for all crypto projects under 1 penny, all those will come up. I don't know why CoinMarketCap has taken that feature off, so I don't see it on here. So there's another way we could do this. You could go to categories, and you can pick a category. So let's say you want to look at AI and big data. All right, and so if you click on price, all right, it's going to give you the most expensive on down to the least expensive. But if you just have it to where it's, see right here, make sure. All right, I think this is the cheapest. So it's the cheapest start at the top, and you can scroll down, and then go in order of least to greatest. based off of price. So that's a way you can do it. And look, I wish they didn't change that up because it was much easier that you just do a search and all the prices on that criteria would show up. So yeah, just play around with that. Go back over here to let's look at gaming. All right, I want to hit price. All right, so this would be, I guess, the most expensive from the largest, greatest to the least. And if you hit it again, it'll go ahead and price it because at first it's just random. So if you hit this price twice, you hit it twice. Once again, we back. If I hit it again, boom. So at least the greatest. And you want to make sure you're trading on a platform that has got liquidity and is equal. So you got Floki. We know Floki is on at least Coinbase.com. You got different ones, but you have to go in and look. I think this one is on. Let's see if Crypto.com got it. Yeah. So Crypto.com got this one. It's below a penny. Like I said, do your research on these. But yeah, so try out that strategy. See if you can find 10. All right. If you want to do $40, you can. That'd be $400. However you want to do it, but just try the strategy out. You never know if a strategy is going to work until you do it. So this is your opportunity. You clearly see now. Like I said, back in October, we went over this, posted it. I only have to do the other 7. The other 3 have moved substantially enough where you are already, in the money, so to speak. So that what does that mean? That means the other 7 could fail. It could go to 0. You're still profitable. These 3 alone has covered, and there's still a lot of upside potential for all of these to make it make sense. Right. So it's all about math. Pay attention to it. Hit the like button, subscribe. It's your boy E White. I'm out.